kenal baik Coach Johannes Di Pauli, ya, dan I'm very happy to see his growth and his development both in career as a coach, ya, in his business as well as his person. Ya, saya lihat beliau mulai, he was a very good professional in the organization, banyak work experience, and he decided to take coaching. Ya, dan saya dapat banyak feedback dari orang-orang yang di coach oleh Coach Johannes. Ya, feedbacknya positif. Ya, so number one, I know him personally. Okay, and that's positive. Number two, I get a lot of positive feedback from his clients. And number three, kalau itu hanya opini, ya opini saja. Tapi buktinya adalah Coach Johannes Pauli sudah menang penghargaan demi penghargaan demi penghargaan. Bukan hanya di Indonesia, tapi di ajang Asia Pacific, bahkan di dunia. So, this cannot be fooling around. He is already proven to be competent. So, kalau kita mau di-coach, lebih baik di-coach oleh orang-orang yang sudah terbukti kompeten kan? Because you put in the same amount of money, you put in the same amount of time, you better get the best results kan? So, if I were you, I go for the best. And Coach Johannes Pauli is the best in the world. And as a person, he is also very connected. Yeah? He is very humble. So, that's a good thing. So, coaching itu chemistry. Ya, dan saya yakin Coach Johannes Pauli, chemistry dengan Anda pasti jauh lebih menyenangkan. Coach Johannes Pauli is not only a great business coach, ya, he also walks the talk. Buktinya, beliau sendiri punya tim, ya. I think the name of his company is Gratio, ya. He has a team of coaches, ya. Sehingga beliau jadi master coach dan ilmu-ilmunya dia transfer kepada team of coachesnya sehingga mereka juga bisa jalan. Nah, itulah seorang coach yang walk the talk. Dia ajar Anda bagaimana kembangkan bisnis Anda, dia sendiri mengembangkan bisnis dia. Ya, jadi dia ada regeneration. Dia adalah master coach and he coaches all his team. Ya, and what's good is that the team competency sama dengan Coach Johannes Pauli, dan yang paling penting adalah spiritnya, rohnya sama. So you will be in good hands if you are coached not only by Coach Johannes Pauli but his team of coaches. So that's what I know about Gratio, and I heard it's doing very well. Sebagian besar dari kita mulai bisnis kita dari hobi kita atau dari passion kita atau dari keahlian kita, ya. Nah, problem paling besar untuk mengembangkan bisnis adalah dua kendala yang paling besar, dan ini kombinasi fatal, oke? Atau kalau di sana saya bilang kombinasi amsyong, ya, yaitu seorang pemilik bisnis atau pemilik salon lah, ya, di mana dia adalah ahli gunting rambut paling pintar antara semua stylist-stylist yang ada. Dia gunting rambut paling jago. Plus, dia paling rajin lagi. Bayangkan kalau seorang pemilik salon, dia gunting rambut paling jago dan dia paling rajin. Kira-kira customer mau digunting oleh pemilik atau yang stylist yang lain? Pasti cari ke pemilik, betul? Karena Anda paling jago kan? Dan sudah rajin lagi. Sudah jago, rajin lagi. Jadi customer bilang, tolong dong, lu datang jam 8 ya, karena saya harus ke salon. Nah, dia bilang, ya udahlah, rajin, saya buka lah jam 8. Ya, sudah jam 9, sudah waktu tutup. Pelanggan datang lagi, tolonglah, lu bantulah, besok gua nggak ada waktu. Dia rajin, dia lanjut. Pegawainya sudah pulang, karyawannya sudah pulang. Dia kerja, kenapa dia rajin? Kenapa? Itu penghasilan buat dia kok, karyawan nggak mau pikir. Jadi, kalau Anda adalah pemilik bisnis yang paling rajin dan paling pintar di tempat Anda, pasti Anda lelah, pasti bisnis Anda tidak berkembang, pasti Anda kerja lebih keras dari bawahan Anda, pasti Anda pusing, putar otak jauh lebih daripada mereka. Kalau demikian, Anda bukan businessman. Jangan membohongi diri sendiri. Yo koki utama doang. Jadi kalau Anda mau bebas, Anda mau ada waktu, Anda mau nikmati hasil dari bisnis Anda, Anda mau bisnis Anda berkembang, you really need to get out of that. And the only way, most of the time, to get out of that is when you need somebody to push you out. And that's where you need to be coached. So, if you think you are struggling, if you know that you have the potential to grow, but you don't know where to begin, because kalau lepas ini drop, kalau lepas itu drop, you really need to be coached. Otherwise, number one, you'll be suffering. Number two, you won't have time with your family. Number three, you'll be angry all the time. And worse still, after all the suffering, your income cannot grow. So,